What's up, guys? Infinite Boy back on another YouTube video, like always. Today, gameplay. Don't press the button for. So I actually have this. I actually have played this game on my YouTube channel before, like 5 or 6 months ago. This was my second. I played this game on a second YouTube video ever on this YouTube channel. I played this game on a second. I played this game on my second oldest video after the dancing one. This was my second oldest video ever. And no, not the video. I like second oldest video. I played press the button for. You guys know what I mean. Guys, need to smash that like button and subscribe. You want this type of content, and we'll make this more today. And I'm testing out a little bit. I'm testing out. So you guys watch my YouTube channel, you know, on a YouTube Shorts. You guys don't know I have YouTube Shorts. It's going to be right now. So they shorts. Videos, and then they're all on YouTube Shorts. And we get to put that button to all. Haven't put this game on a long time, like on camera, 6 months or something. And yeah, I know that's something a little bit different. I cannot. What cannot is it? I need something a little bit different. I get to edit this video. You guys already know because if I click on this video, I did it. Okay, just hang on, dude. Yeah, guys. So yeah, because most are not so. Guys, watch my YouTube channel and my YouTube Shorts. On the YouTube Shorts, I edit them and once I do not, and I just dive. To get more views on a Roblox video, because right now I'm blowing up my YouTube Shorts. Like I'm blowing up on YouTube Shorts right now. Like, if you guys go to YouTube Shorts, I might pop up one of the YouTube Shorts. I'm blowing up on YouTube Shorts. And my Roblox videos, my long videos, not doing that great. So maybe I said to myself, I edit, I might get some more views. I still get put like 2 people in the title. Only like 22 So I want more people. So you guys know. I hope you know. So guys, yeah, once again, I haven't played this game in a long time on this YouTube channel. Once again, like 5, 6 months maybe. Oh, that like a week, 200 days or so. Maybe 160, I don't know. Yeah. I've been on YouTube for about 6 months since my first YouTube video. About 6 months now. And the last time I played this game on a YouTube channel was my second oldest YouTube video, and then I made 5 months ago. When I started being a YouTuber, I was like January 28th. January 28th. And then I played this game on a second oldest video. Whoa! Okay. That was like I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, okay. My first video ever was my first video ever on YouTube, on this YouTube channel was July 28th, 2022. And then a second video like yesterday ago, somebody unsubscribed. I do not want that. So you guys, yeah, just don't unsubscribe. Okay, and you guys have to not a lot of video. Like you can just go a lot. Yeah, I'm trying to not subscribe because to like make more money. I don't know if I paid or not. And I'm trying to save up for something for my family to buy. So yeah, so guys, please just have that there and probably do not know this, so recently I got a PC. So on my PC I will do live streams. So you guys are watching me live. So yeah, I might do one round. This round. Live right now. In this game